Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Janine of TBOQ Crochet, and in today's video, I am showing the bag for the month of October. Yes, that's right. Remember in my previous video, I'll link it down below if you haven't watched, that I will be creating a bag a month, which gives me the ability to still create crochet items for myself. And who knows, maybe I may be able to do 2 bags a month instead of just one. It just depends on what I'm working on. So without further ado, let's see what the bag of the month looks like. Here she is. This is the bag of the month. Because this month is October and it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I decided to create a little bag in honor of breast cancer awareness. So this is her. She's black and trimmed in pink. That's the our logo, TBOQ logo. She has a chain, so she can be worn in several ways. You can wear her. Let's open her up. So this is what her inside looks like. I did decide to line it with breast cancer awareness fabric. So that's her inside. And you can, while I have it open, you can actually put the strap. Let's see. You can put the strap in the inside. You can put the strap in the inside and actually wear her, like a clutch, or just in your hand like that, like a clutch. You can also, excuse me, but you can also take the strap out. You can wear her as a, let's back up. You can wear her as a shoulder bag, or you can wear her as a crossbody. So you can wear her in three different ways. She also comes with a little heart. And her name is, because I did name her, and she has her name. Her name is Grace. So this is Grace. And yeah, I decided to create this bag, October's bag, in honor of breast cancer awareness. So I will have this bag on my website. I just have to take all the pictures to upload her onto the site, but she will be available to purchase. Today is October 21st, so she'll be available to purchase this coming Thursday or Friday. I should have all the pictures taken and uploaded to my site. So yeah, she is the bag of the month. Her name is Grace. That's a heart. Her name, Grace. And yeah, so I hope that you guys like what you're seeing in this video. Like I said, I will be coming once a month. It may be towards the end of the month when I come with the bag. It just depends on when I finish. I have started creating next month's bag, so it just depends on whenever I finish the bag. But I will be coming with the bag of the month. So once again, this is October's bag of the month in honor of Breast Cancer Month. And yeah, if you like what you're seeing in this video and you want to see more, or if you have any ideas of any things you want me to do, just drop a comment and I'll be happy to look into it. If I don't know how, I'll figure it out. But with that being said, I hope you like this video. Please like it, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you want to be, you know, a subscriber and know every time I drop a new video. Subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. But I will drop the video of me telling, you know, about me doing a bag a month. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.